Tago muna ng mga players yan. Tapos, syempre, bibigyan pa nila ng exposure yung mga hindi pa nila nagagamit. So, kahit nandiyan pa si Meneses, syempre yung opposite niya na middle, kailangan mag-step up para talagang masustain yung blocking prowess ng US.
Butter shrimp sa kanyang pabiyahe dito sa Maynila. Anton at AJ?
Buttered shrimp, yun din yung kinain ko kagabi. Pero, Pampanga is not that far, Doc AJ, but
Magbasa ng kalaban mo eh. Ang main na binabasa talaga ng middle blocker is yung setter. Konting movement ng setter, dapat alam mo na kung saan niya ibabato yun. Angle ng kamay, makuha ng passers yun.
ito, tusok na tusok. EJ Laure elevating for the kill.
Ngayon, naglalaro pa siya para
Yes.
sa Army. Team captain pa siya.
Ibo pa rin si Coach Kung Fu, katulad na lamang itong si Carlos Sandoval.
Libero nila how to position herself sa court. Kasi okay naman yung positioning ng blockers eh. Siyempre yung libero, i-base mo yung position mo sa court dahil dun sa cover na binablock.
To Lastimosa who gives up a surprising free ball para sa UP. Tiamzon, dinagdagan ng anghang ang kanyang palo. USD Maroons, pagkakataon para sa USD na tapusin ang match at set. At ito, Ria Meneses dashing and smashing to take set. Muli sa napanood, Anton Rojas alongside Doc AJ Pareha. And we also have Janine Choi with us at court.
Pagiging med student.
Pero I can only imagine kung gaano kahirap ipagsabay ang pag-aaral at itong paglalaro ng volleyball.
Kaya pa naman kasi yung first year kahit
The Carlos and Isa Molde, the super rookies, and Isa Molde right on cue is able to score from the back row.
isa rin siguro sa
Philippine Coast Guard in straight sets, and Philippine Coast Guard still without a win in 4 matches dito sa reinforced numbers.
kita natin yung satisfaction. Ikaw yung aasahan nila to step up.
So the captain for UP is Cathy Bersola. He's very comfortable with that type of responsibility. Another much improved player. So much has been said about the great improvement of Sandoval. Pero si Shannon Palek, we have to who will try to finish this second set. Molde says not yet.
Molde with a kill. UP19.
Picar goes to Sandoval off the block. That's a point for USD, and they take set number 2. Si Janine Choi to complete our broadcast team for our second match today. Nicole Tiamzon, dati rin nag-center during the first year of Coach Jerry sa UP.
Last touch, UP. Point goes to USD.
In the men's and women's division sa beach volleyball. Here's Isa Molde who brings down the wall.
Kitang-kita natin yung improvement ni Molde tsaka ni Carlos.
Laure was there. Cabanos binalik kay Sandoval.
Sandoval.
And Carlos Sandoval will get the point.
14-10.
Sa mga favorite ni Carla to yung tooling importance na naging captain dati si EJ, no? At least sa ganitong rotation siya na yung pinaka-veteran eh. So wala si Alex, wala si Pat. So every time na ilalabas sila, ipapasok si Picar tsaka si Package.
They're puzzled together kasi nga si Isa Molde is still easing her way back into the rotation. As Chloe Cortez closes the show para sa US dito sa reinforced conference ng Shakey's V-League. There you have it, the final numbers